Hey, I'm Sarah Rose and today we are going to try the amazing Kaleidoscope XTRA Palette. Ready for this? So what's lovely about these eyeshadows, you can use your fingers, but I'm going to use brushes today. So I'm going to start with the large fluffy brush. And I think I'm going to use that starting with the colour Dazzling, which is like a very nude tone there. I'm going to use that to wash the eye, and I think I'm going to start to create a bit of shape using the colour Work. I'm just pushing that into the eye. If you're not sure where your crease is, it's where the eye slightly goes in. You just push your brush along the whole crease just to create a shape. Now the fun part, I think I'm going to add a bit of colour today. So in Power is this beautiful fuchsia pink. I'm going to go in with that, and I think I'm then going to add a bit of Serve. Let's go. And lightly pat it on. Then to add a bit more shape, I'm now going to add in the colour Serve. I use my small flat eye brush. I'm going to use this with the colour Yes, which is a really pretty sparkly pink. Wow. With a finger, I'm just going to slightly blend it in. Our coal black eyeliner, I'm going to tight line inside the top lash. Now I'm going to add this amazing colour. This is called Oceana. How pretty is this? Then using the eyeliner brush, I'm just going to gently smudge it, blend it all in. I go with the colour Diva underneath the eye.
Awesome.
Now I'm going to go with some black mascara. This is called Amplify Statement Lash. It's got such a lovely wand. Look at this wand, it's beautiful. So it picks up the lash, and the top bit you can use to separate and to run underneath. I'm going in today with our half lash trios. Got 3 amazing half lash styles to choose from. I think I'm going to try the middle one today. So when the glue's a bit tacky on the lash, that's when I like to apply. The lashes have just taken this look to the next level. I'm now going to put the rest of my face on, and I'll see you in a moment. I have had so much fun creating this whole look. I mean, it's really come together. This look, I think it's really pretty, really fun. I've got to try this amazing palette, Kaleidoscope XTRA.